How to get your friends and family to fund your startup. There are 5 steps to take to get your friends and family to fund your startup. Step 1 is you need to do the market research. You need to know what the numbers are, how much it's going to cost for you to start your business, what it's going to cost for you to market, advertise, and start to see a return on investment. And you need to know the timeline that it's going to take. So step 1 is do your research, know your numbers, and know your timeline so that you can honestly and accurately tell them and show them that timeline for return on investment. Number 2 is you need to prepare a proper business plan. I'm going to put a link in the description below for LivePlan Software, which is a friendly software, $15 a month, that will ask you all the questions to prepare a legitimate business plan, and it has a projections calculator which will help you to create your projections. You need to be able to show your friends and your family members your business plan and show them your projections. But showing them the business plan and projection without being able to explain those numbers and to clearly show them that you've done the market research is just smoke and mirrors. So step 1, do the market research. Step 2, prepare a business plan using LivePlan software. Step 3 is you want to prepare a business opportunity that you want to present to your friends and family. You can't go to them asking them for a favor. Everyone's trying to make money. Everyone's trying to feed their family. And no one has it in their budget to help you with your dreams. But if you present to them an opportunity for them to make a return on investment, then that might pique their interest. You show them 3 options: an entry-level option, minimum investment, minimum gains; middle-level investment, middle-level gains; and top-level investment, top-level gains. So at a lower level, you can show them a lower gain, lower percentage in returns; middle level, higher gains, higher percentage in returns; and a higher level. So show them those 3 options. Let them choose, because maybe they'll step in at a lower level, and if you get 3 or 4 people to participate, you might meet your need. Or you get that friend or family member who sees the big picture and wants to invest at the top level. So create options. Show them at least 3 options. And finally, you want to show them that you have a legal intermediary in place to create a legal binding contract, so when they lend you the money, it's not just them giving it to you, but it's going to go through an intermediary. That intermediary is called Pigeon Loans. I'm going to put a link in the description below for Pigeon Loans. And what Pigeon does is they allow folks in a peer-to-peer level, peer-to-business, business-to-business, business-to-peer, to make a loan to each other. So I'm just going to use an example of me and my brother. I'm going to let him borrow $50,000. So I go to Pigeon Loans and I create an account. I put all my information in there. I put my brother's information in there. And I say I'm going to make a loan of $50,000. I decide the terms. I set that up. I tell Pigeon I want it to be 5 years, 10 years, 5 months, whatever the term is, and the schedule of payback. Maybe I want it to be daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly. That's up to me. I set those rules up. And then if there's a return on investment, I can make it a flat fee. I can make it an interest rate, however I want. So I create my contract. Pigeon Loan sends it to my brother. My brother signs the contract. But when he's signing that contract, not only is it a legal binding contract in the court of law, but he's also making himself and committing to be a personal guarantor. Just as if he was borrowing money from a bank or lender, he is going to be personally guaranteeing the loan that I'm giving him, which means that if he doesn't pay, not only do I have a legal contract that I can take to an attorney to sue him or take him to collections, but it's going to impact his credit. It's going to affect his personal credit because he's guaranteeing it through this contract through Pigeon Loans. Pigeon Loans then delivers the contract to me signed. I upload the money into the Pigeon Loans portal. Pigeon Loans delivers it to my brother. My brother then has a portal to make his monthly payment. Pigeon Loans sends him reminders. And so I don't have to call him and say, hey, where's my money? The money and the relationship is being legally managed through the Pigeon Loan portal. And finally, if your friends and family don't actually have money in savings to lend you, but they have good credit, then you can bring them to OrangeFi, and I'm going to put a link in the description below for OrangeFi, where you can bring them as a credit partner, and they can leverage their good credit to get access to between $20,000 up to $200,000 of 0% interest credit card funding, and they're able to get access between 50 to 70% of that credit as cash at 0% interest for 12 to 24 months. They can then take a portion of that funding of that cash at 0%, and they can lend it to you and use the Pigeon Loans portal to manage the relationship. So step 1, do your market research. Step 2, prepare a legitimate business plan with a pro forma or projections. Step 3, present to them a business opportunity with at least 3 options of investing. Step 4, use a legal intermediary like Pigeon Loans to manage the relationship. Step 5, if they don't have cash or savings to lend you, bring them to OrangeFi to get access to the funding to invest in your business. If this video was of value to you, please subscribe, please like and share. Thank you for watching. This is Sebastien Boyer, the Approved Guy, signing out.